National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, central Cook County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Crum, or 8 miles west of Sanger, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, settings, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Sanger, Crum, Lindsay, Callisburg, Lake Kiowa, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 477 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.